Hey everybody, it's Eric here at Outdoor Retailer Summer Market in Denver, Summer Market 2018. I'm walking the aisles and I'm looking for cool stuff here on the show floor, and came across this underwater drone that would look like it would be just perfect in like Cabo or something on a trip. But for people who maybe don't want to snorkel all the time or get in the water, right? Like that's a way to enjoy the water without even having to put on all the extra
That's
equipment.
exactly its purpose.
Awesome. So could you tell me a little bit about it, Craig?
Okay, so this is the PowerRay. It was introduced at CES in 2017. Started shipping in November of 2017. And here it is now. This is a full production model on a single charge of about 2 hours. You'll get about 2 hours dive time. It's got a 225-foot tether that is attached to it because Wi-Fi does not travel underwater. So it's got an upper, so this is your dive thruster, and then the back thrusters on the back are for forward, backwards, and left and right turning.
Oh wow, so you control all 6 axes with those 3 motors.
Exactly.
Fantastic. Does this fin light up?
Yes, it lights up blue.
Wow, so you could, like on a low light day, you'd be able to pick it up out of the water.
Oh yeah, for sure. And then it also has the 2 headlights in the front, and then a 4K camera attached into the nose.
Now, I imagine the memory on that camera is built in, right?
Yeah, the micro SD card is built in, a 64 gigabyte micro SD card.
That's pretty handsome. I mean, 4 gig, how much is that an hour to shoot 4 gig?
Oh my gosh.
It's like 32 gig is an hour?
Yeah.
So your 2 hour charge is going to fill that memory.
Yeah, I mean, if you're on it the entire time, what I like to do is I like to set my time of filming in 5-minute increments.
There you go.
So
and then you just bring it back up in the boat?
Yeah, bring it back up in the boat, and then recharge it if you need to recharge it. It also
pull
has
the data off of it?
Yeah, pull the data off of it, and then it also has a sonar on the bottom and a magnetic bait magnet, so like you can take it out and chum the water and get the fish all excited while you're filming them.
Really? So tell me about this, the sonar and the magnet. How do those things interact? How do fish deal with that? What does this do to fish?
So fish absolutely love this product, I think because of the white and it's not a predator to them. So they really flock to it. Sonar, what is really cool about Sonar is that it will map ocean or lake surfaces, let you know what's right underneath the surface. It'll tell you the water temperature. It'll also tell you how deep you're going.
Oh, okay. But it doesn't give you like a terrain map or anything like that, right?
It will soon. And
really?
Yeah, very soon we have a Power Seeker 2 coming out, which will do mapping, and it'll also attach to another product that we have coming out called the Power Dolphin.
Awesome. So, just to kind of recap, we've got a lighting up tail, we've got 225 foot of tether, 3 inches of control 6-way axis,
right,
up and down, left,
right.
right.
You got your 4K camera, and you got your 2 headlamps.
You got your 2 headlamps, and then you also have that other. We already talked about the other.
Yeah, the sonar.
And then
the bait
the
drop.
Sonar and the bait draw.
Yep.
Yeah, that's awesome. Now, when you're controlling this, I see you have 2 options of controlling it. Really, one option. You've got the remote control, and then you've got the heads up.
Okay, no, so you got 3 options of controlling this.
All right, so yeah, tell me how
basically, you have your standard remote control, and this is where basically your phone goes or your iPad or whatever. You can actually take the app out, and there's 2 thumb pads on the app where you can control it through the app.
Oh, okay.
So if you're not really keen on using the sticks on the remote, you can just use the app. Or if you want, you can actually throw your phone into the VR goggles while using the controller. You can basically move left or right with your head movement, and that will move the drone left or right.
Oh, so where you look is where it goes?
Yeah.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
Can you change its speed or anything from that?
Yes, not with this, but on the remote and on the app, you have what is low, medium, and high. Basically, low is about 2 knots underwater, medium is about 4, and then high is about 6 knots.
It's pretty fast.
Yeah, and you can do all that, all the same controls here, you can do on the app as well.
Good. But ideally, I mean, you're not going to be able to. Well, so if you have the heads up display and you're using this, you're using it from road memory. Like
pretty much. Yeah.
I think that using a computer for that, or using an iOS device or a screen device would be a little harder.
Yeah.
And maybe when you're out in this environment.
Right. No,
that's
so
the one thing
I've done both.
Expose.
I've done I've done the pads, I've done the head movement, and I've done the controller. You're going to get more precise with the controller than anything.
And you can integrate this with the head movement.
Oh, yeah.
Where you're looking, that takes care of one of the functions.
Exactly.
Great.
Yeah, exactly.
Anything else you'd like to tell me about this, Craig? Where can people find it?
So basically, you can find
How
it.
do you get your hands on one? How much does it cost?
Okay, so right now we have a special going till August 5th. The price is $15.99. The normal price is $18.88. So with that, $18.88, you get all the stuff that's here. You get your remote, you get the goggles, the tether, the base station, and then a really great carrying case that comes along with it.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
Let's see. I had one or two other questions.
Sure.
And then we're gonna. Let me see. So all this stuff comes with it. We'll go through that in a second.
Yep.
Looks like a really cool toy to bring on a trip.
Yeah, I mean, from all kinds of different applications, from search and rescue, pier and boat inspection, scientific scientific work with animals, sea creatures.
You don't have to send
all
a
the
diver down
marines.
to look at the
Exactly.
bottom of a boat.
You don't have to do any of that
Have you
stuff.
talked to the DEA about this? Because there's always this ghost.
We have
things on
had
these ships.
multiple conversations with government officials, from FBI all the way down.
It seems like that's just a must-have piece
Yeah.
if you're a Leo.
law form. Yeah, exactly.
If you're a Leo, that would you'd want that.
Yeah,
for
for sure.
Wow, it looks really cool.
Yeah, it's really fun to take out in like coral situations to go and understand what's going on with the coral reefs of the world. We have a lot of different commercial applications as well as consumer. So say a guy who owns a boat or a kayak and wants to go fishing, you can use this as a precursor to what he's going to do.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Well, thank you, Craig.
You're welcome. No problem.
And, we did get the website in there,
The
right?
website is powervision.me, www.powervision.me. And that's where you can find out more information, or you can check our YouTube channel, PowerVision Global.
Craig, it's been great talking with you.
Yeah, you too, man.
I really think this is a great product.
Yeah.
Been on the market, never seen anything like it. This is exactly the kind of stuff I look for when I come to the trade show.
Yeah,
I got to
check us
wrap.
out.
Yeah, exactly. Well, so I got to wrap up and get headed to the next cool thing here at the show at Outdoor Retailer Summer Market 2018 in Denver, Colorado.